This is the wrong way that you use the pen tool to selection and remove the background. Back to my example. So first you need to unlock your layer and then click on layers and say I love you. Okay, just kidding. You need to press Ctrl J to make copy layer. And then click channel and make copy blue channel. You just click on channel and push to make copy. And the outcome you got one more channel. And then you need to click on MX, click adjustment and click level. And you need to arrange the size of this color. Finish, click OK. And after I need the burn tool to paint to dark blacks on tree. And next, you need to press Ctrl and left click to make a selection layer. And after, unhide the color RGB and hide the channel copy. And next, click on select and click inverse. And after, click layers and click mask button. And next, show the result. Hide the first layer. Okay, the background removes from this picture already. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.